Why is there no impact crater for the Tunguska event? Imagine a massive explosion in the middle of Siberia that flattened thousands of square kilometers of forest, yet no giant hole or crater is visible. That's what makes the Tunguska event so puzzling. It happened in 1908, and people still wonder why there's no impact crater left behind. The key reason is that the object responsible didn't hit the ground intact. Instead, it exploded high up in the atmosphere, around 5 to 10 kilometers above the Earth's surface. This kind of explosion is called an airburst. When the object entered the atmosphere at incredible speeds, the pressure and heat caused it to break apart and vaporize. The explosion released energy equivalent to several megatons of TNT, which is enough to level forests over a huge area. But because it happened in the air, it didn't create a traditional impact crater like a meteorite hitting the ground. Instead, the energy was spread out over a large area, causing shockwaves and destruction without leaving a big hole. The fragments of the object mostly burned up or turned into tiny particles that scattered over the region. These small pieces are very hard to find today, and no large meteorite chunks have been discovered nearby. Some scientists have suggested that a small fragment might have survived and created a tiny crater or lake called Lake Chico near the explosion site. However, many experts believe that the lake's shape and age could be natural features, not caused by a meteorite impact. There are also some wild theories, like the idea that a tiny black hole passed through Earth during the event, which would explain the lack of a crater. But these ideas are not widely accepted and remain just speculative. The main reason we see no impact crater from the Tunguska event is that the object exploded high in the sky, releasing its energy before reaching the ground. That's why the event caused such widespread destruction without leaving a typical crater. It's a fascinating example of how cosmic objects can interact with Earth in unexpected ways, making the Tunguska event one of the most mysterious and unusual events in recent history.